How to install Rapid Streams on your Firestick. To install it, what you have to do is simply open your Firestick on home page, and then you have to click on the third party application and download it. That is download. Firstly, click on the search part of your Firestick home and download the downloader option from there, and then turn on your Firestick device, go to the home page and click on the setting icon. Now here you will see an option called find, then you will have another option called search. Click on the search, and on the downloader you have to search for downloader app in the search bar. Now this is the downloader app. Simply download it on your PC and let it install on your PC and completed the process. Now open it. After opening, allow and give access to all the application to your photos or everything. Click OK on this warning. This is the downloader app interface where you have a lot of option, but there is a search bar option on the top of it. Enter this URL or search for the Rapid Streamz downloader code 730116. And then you have to simply click on this go option on the right below here. Now click on the download app now in your device. The installation will start, and please wait until it's done. Now, whenever it will be installed to your device successfully, now you can understand that you're eligible to use it and you can use it actively without having any problem to it. This is all about how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching such updates and videos like that.